having the ability to recreate the look of any movie you want is going to take a long way. What if I told you that we can color grade like a movie with just a few clicks? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can take the color grade from any movie or Hollywood film and apply it to your own footage in Wondershare Filmora. Alright, the first one is using color match. I want to copy the color grade from the Revenant. So I have imported a JPEG image from the film in my timeline. And you can download the JPEG image from internet or take a screenshot from the movie. So let's click your footage. Then we are going to color. Under basic, let's go ahead with color match. And click comparison view. Move this slider until you see the JPEG or film image. Click match and hit OK. Now we can see it made some changes. You can also bring the value and protect the skin tone if you want, but it still needs a little adjustment here, so I'm gonna play with basic adjustment. I'm gonna bring the contrast to about 30 and bring down the vibrance to -25 so it's a bit desaturated. Then bring up the curve just a little bit so it's a bit bright here. Then number 2 is using Luts. Using Luts is similar to color preset. In Filmora, we have some film presets here that you can use. So here we have Mission Impossible, Batman, Star Wars, and etc. So I'm going to choose Batman. As usual, you can play around with adjustment to get better result. The last one, we are gonna use filters from Filmora. If you click filters, then select cinematic, you can see all the films and apply it to your footage with just simple clicks. We also have Batman, Joker as well, and more. So for example, let's apply Cinewarm style. As usual, you can play around with adjustment to get better result. So that's how you can apply Hollywood-inspired color grades to your own footage. Just click the link below to download Wondershare Filmora. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I will see you later in the next video.